welcome to my video. If you're new here, you can read more about me in the description box given below. Today, I will be speaking about self-care. Self-care simply means taking care of ourselves. But self-care is largely missing in each of our lives. Self-care is misunderstood for being selfish, and therefore the most ignored person in our life is we ourselves. That's exactly why there is a need to step back and take an outsider's perspective to what self-care is all about. I will try and simplify this for you. Let's discuss various things that we can do in order to take care of ourselves. The first one probably seems too cliched. It is easier said than done, and I myself grapple with it a lot. It is simply to wake up early. And no, I'm not talking about the 5 a.m. club. I am referring to trying and waking up by 6 or 6:30. See, the point is, in the daily hustle bustle, there is hardly any time that we have which we can spend with ourselves. So the morning hours give you a little bit of stillness, gives you an opportunity to become aware of yourself, aware of your feelings, understand yourself better. And I'd also say go ahead and write down what you feel at that point in time. The next one, fairly simple, and we do it for everyone, but forget ourselves in the bargain. It is to nourish ourselves, take care of ourselves, feed ourselves nutritious food, ensure we are hydrated throughout the day, become aware of energy slumps, and don't mistaken that for being lazy. Take whatever it needs to bring you back, bounce you back into action. Understand how your body functions, what your energy cycles are throughout the day, and recognize and record these is what I do. The next one is to get enough sleep. And by sleep, I don't just mean getting that 6 or 7 hours of sleep in the night. At times, we push ourselves, we push our bodies to overdo things. Yes, a lot of times we overwork ourselves, and we do not recognize or we do not listen to our bodies when they tell us that the body is fatigued. That's why in my previous point I said be aware of the energy slumps. So when you find that your energy is dipping, talk to yourself, understand, is it rest that you need, is it sleep that you need? And if that is what your body needs, please go ahead and give that rest to your body, and do not feel guilty even if it means sleeping midday. Next suggestion is to do something fun. Fun can be anything. It could perhaps be dancing freely, singing your lungs out, taking care of plants, playing with children, doodling, painting, anything. The definition of fun is different for different people. So identify what are the fun things for you, and go ahead and give yourself that experience. The next one is focus on grooming. In the pandemic situation, this one is very, very easy to be ignored. So yes, give yourself that time, dress yourself up, wear that special perfume which you had bought and kept it aside for special occasions. Give yourself this treat and see how your mood instantly lifts up. The next one is fun too. Always try and learn something new. It helps to stimulate our brains and keep us younger. Something new can be anything. Perhaps getting back to dance, perhaps learning a new craft, learning a new language, going back to college and getting that one more degree or diploma that you always wanted to do. Comment below and tell me, what is that latest new in your life? I want to hear you. You come in contact with a lot of people. A lot bring in a lot of stress with them. There are some people, after spending some time with them, you realize that you aren't feeling well. There is a certain heaviness in the air. It's like these people have sucked up all your energies, and they are officially called energy vampires. So, note down your feelings, how you feel with whom, and then accordingly select your association. Choose to spend more time with people who enrich you, who empower you, and stay away from people who give you negative vibes, who try to pull you down and things like that. Keep yourself safe from these people, and remember, DTIP, do not take it personally. Just leave things at face value and don't bring them back home. I want to end this video with an empowering affirmation. It goes, I am willing to make a commitment to daily self-care. I repeat, I am willing to make a commitment to daily self-care. Comment below and tell me which of these do you commit yourself to. See you soon in my next one.